Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. This past weekend, I came across these wooden wreath bases at my local Dollar Tree, and here's how I used them. I used a strong adhesive to glue together 3 of the wreath bases before painting the bases with latex paint that I already had at home. Next, I added Dollar Tree metal ribbon. The wood bases are made of a soft wooden material, but it's not a bad idea to use a metal thimble for this part. I added a 12-inch mirror to the bottom of my wreath bases to make a beautiful mirrored tray. I also made a second version of this tray using the same metal ribbon and thumbtacks, but I painted this version gold. For project number 2, I'm using 3 more of the wreath bases in addition to small mosaic mirror tiles. I'll add a link to where you can purchase these same tiles in the description box below. These towels are self-adhesive, but the additional glue will ensure that these towels stay in place over time. The mirror tiles are slightly wider than the wreath bases, so I made sure to use the flattest side for the bottom of my design. I could add more of the mirrors to the inside of the wreath bases to make a beautiful tray, but I don't need any more trays, and I've decided to do something a bit different. Here, I'm using a Dollar Tree 12-inch wood round and Dollar Tree vinyl paper. Of course, I could have used the latex paint to paint the wood, but I decided to try the vinyl paper instead. The vinyl paper had a small amount of bubbling, but overall, I was happy with the final results. I decided to cover my clock hands with Dollar Tree glitter vinyl paper. I really love how my new glam clock turned out. I think it's beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. As always, I would love to hear from you. I found more of the wreath bases at a second Dollar Tree, so stay tuned for part 2. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, Dazzlers, bye!